welcome back to my channel and thank you for showing me so much of love. I really love it when you show me so much of love by liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing my channel. I love it. So I have been making these some DIY under eye creams to reduce the dark circles, puffiness. I have been of lately got a little bit of more dark circles and a little bit of puffiness because of working too much on my laptop. So my DIY for my under eye cream is very simple. I just basically need 3 products. One is aloe vera gel, one is a vitamin E capsule, and one is almond oil. Very important is almond oil also. So these are 3 items which I would be using for my under eye cream, which helps you reduce the blemishes, the puffiness and the dark circles for sure. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first I would be using my aloe vera. You can use any aloe vera cream, but I'm going to use this Patanjali's aloe vera gel, which has a little bit of kesar and chandan also. So I'm going to show you how I make my DIY cream for my under eye circle. So I'll be using this aloe vera gel. I'll put around 1 spoon of aloe vera gel to my. You can use any storage. If it is of glass, it is good. I prefer glass. You can DIY and make any glass bottle which you have of any cream. Or I have put around 1 spoon of aloe vera gel in my bottle. Like I'll add a little more, and inside this aloe vera gel I would put a little bit of vitamin E capsule, like 7 drop of vitamin E. I am using these vitamin E capsules. You can get it from anywhere. It is like 400 mg vitamin E UPS vitamin E capsules. I'll be using one, and I'll use around like half of this capsule. Yeah, just half. So I'll be putting around half of the vitamin E capsule, just half, yes. See, vitamin E capsules is very good antioxidants. It removes the UV damage to the skin. It is anti-aging. So a must. Vitamin E is a must. So it reduces your acne. It hydrates your skin like anything. It's so good. It reduces your blemishes, your UV rays, whatever you get, the blemishes on your skin. It reduces that also. So why aloe vera? That's why. And then I'm going to use almond oil. Okay, so this almond oil is our Baba Ramdev Patanjali almond oil. So I'll be using this oil, like 1 tablespoon. It is a must, girls. With almond oil is very good for acne, and I get a lot of acne. So I use almond oil, which is very good to reduce your scars, your stretch marks. So almond oil is a must. Like I'm putting around 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Voila. I love almond oil. It has a lot of vitamin E. It reduces the scars, the blemishes, and so much, And then you mix all of this. I don't like to mix it with steel and all, Purane zamane ke khayalat. Okay, I have mixed all the ingredients. So what you can do is you can store it in a refrigerator for like a week and use it before going to bed. Yes, use it before going to bed. And if you are fine with using thanda under your eyes, amazing. I prefer it just keeping it in a cool, dry place and use it for a week and use it just going before the bed. It is amazing. I already feel that coolness in my eyes. So cool and thanda, cool I'm feeling. So apply this and sleep. I'll store it for a week in a refrigerator, and it is just amazing cream that you can make on your own for your whole face, for your under eye, dark circle, puffiness. No chemicals, nothing. A must try, and thank me later. Girls, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope you like my DIY cream, which is for under eye and your puffiness, and I am sure you will love it. Just love it. Yes. Thanks for watching, and do give me a thumbs up. Bye my beautifuls.